Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Pharmacypedia. This is Dr. Shikha Chauhan, and in this session I am going to share a very good information for all the girl students who has been admitted in the first year of any technical program in the session 2020 and 21. My dear students, a scheme known as the Pragati Scholarship Schemes only for the girl students who have taken admission in the first year in the technical programs. So this is a degree scholarship schemes only for the girl students. My dear students, if you should know such type of the schemes, because these are the only schemes whereby you don't have to give any sort of the entrance test. You simply have to apply for these scholarships. This scheme known as the Pragati Scholarship Scheme is only targeted for the girl students who have taken admission in the AICTE approved institutions in the session 2020 and 21. So let us try to understand the eligibility requirements, the duration, and the other relevant documentation required to avail the scholarship. If you have still not subscribed to my channel Pharmacypedia, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further informations. So let us try to explore. So this scholarship is basically with the aim and implemented by AICTE, All India Council of Technical Education, which is aimed at providing the assistance for advancements of the girls who are pursuing the technical education in one of the most important means of empowering the women in the knowledge. So what are the eligibility criteria? The eligibility criteria are very simple. It will be provided to only girl candidates who are admitted to the first year of the degree level program, or in the if they have taken the lateral admissions in the degree programs. So maximum 2 girl childs in a family are eligible to apply. Now the only constraint here is to understand is that the family income from all the sources should not be more than 8 lakhs per annum. So my dear students, if you can't avail the scholarships and you know any candidate whose family income is below 8 lakhs and the girl child is pursuing the BTech program or the any technical program, BArc, BPharm, any 4 years technical program, and you know such candidates, please make them aware about it. It is about the society development, and my dear student, it provides a lot of assistance to the family as well. So the amount of the scholarship is very high in the terms that almost more than 5,000 scholarships are being taken as a target for scholarships for the girl students. So the 5,000 figure is a lot high amount of the figure, and believe me, the assistance comes with the it is a 4 years assistance which will be provided by the AICTE. So my dear student, in addition to the 5,000 scholarships, at point number 2, all eligible girls who submit online scholarship form from the Union Territories and Northeastern states, this scholarship is for a tenure of 4 years. So the amount of scholarship is 50,000 per annum. So any girl child, they have to whose family income is below 8 lakhs per annum, in that case they can apply for this scheme. The scheme is very simple to apply. I will tell you all the documents and the details. You can apply for this scheme, and it will be an assistance in the form of rupees 50,000 per annum for a period of 4 years. So the criteria of the selection is very simple. You simply have to apply to the at the website. The selection of the candidate will be carried out solely on the basis of the merit of qualifying examinations to pursue the technical degree course from any of the AICTE approved institution in the first year or second year. So state or union territories wise merit list will be prepared as per the number of scholarship allotted in the point number 3. So maximum 5,000 scholarships are there, then each state is having that how many amounts of the scholarship. So the criteria is very simple. Based on your documents submitted in the 10th and 12th, a merit list will be prepared, and according to that the candidates having the higher merit will be able to avail the scholarships. So these are the number of scholarships divided as per the states and the union territories. For Uttar Pradesh, you can see it is 422. For Delhi, again it is 50. For Chandigarh, it is 50. So my dear students, you just have to see these annexures and then you will be able to understand. My dear students, let us further try to understand what are the critical requirements and what are the other frequently asked questions about the Pragati scholarship scheme. Believe me, my dear students, if you are aware about any candidate whose family income is below 8 lakhs, you should ideally try to help these students, because it is going to mean a lot for them. The reason being 50,000 scholarship amount per year, so almost it is 2 lakhs for the girl's child student, maximum two members, 2 girl child in a family. So let us try to understand the further details about the scheme. So the eligibility criteria for availing the scheme is very clear. It is up to 2 family per members in the degree level program. This scheme is also for the diploma level program. I will share another video for the same. Right now I am focusing on the degree level program. So you can see the family income should be less than 8 lakhs per annum. The student should be admitted in the undergraduate degree level program in a AICTE approved institution. The student should be admitted in the first year of their degree course or the second year of their degree course through the lateral entry. So there are some students who do the diploma and then they enter into the degree program. So it is for them. So the amount of the scholarship is 50,000 per annum for every year of study, and it is for total 4 years of the study. So the candidate would get this amount to have this benefit towards the payment of the college fees or the computer purchase or stationery. Any sort of the requirement can be fulfilled. So another eligible, only female students are eligible. My dear boys, don't worry, maybe you also get another scheme in future course of action. Right now the Pragati scheme is targeting only for the female students. So the candidate fulfilling the eligibility condition is required to apply online on the National Scholarship Portal (NSP) after initiation of the application process, and notice to be published on the AICTE website. So this is scheme is starting from 2020 and 21. So you cannot avail any other scheme while you are availing this scheme. This is for every type of the scholarship program. So you can have, now let us try to understand about the National Scholarship Scheme portal. What are the requirements? There is a help desk also whereby you can get further information if you need a help desk at the rate of nsp.gov.in. And also you can see this portal, and the scholarship amount will be dispersed only through the direct benefit transfer. It means the college is not into any intervention. The amount of the scholarship will reach to the girl child or directly to their bank transfer. So the student must have the general saving bank account in the form of the any clear account. They must upload the bank mandate form verified by the bank. So you can further read all the scheme is very clear. The only 2 requirements, it is meant only for the girl child, and second, the family income should be less than 8 lakhs per annum, and the student should not be availing any other further scholarship, and the institute should be AICTE approved. Now let us try to understand what are the other requirements. These are mentioned about the declaration forms. So now you must understand what are the documents to be uploaded. This question number 34 is very important. You should have the copy of your 10th certificate, copy of your 12th certificate or diploma certificate in case of the lateral entries, and bank passbook, caste certificate, Aadhaar card, study certificate, annual family income certificate in the form of the appendix 2. So these 4 appendix are very important. Then parent declaration form, appendix 3, bank mandate form. So if you know any candidate, please let them know these, and these have to be uploaded on the portal. Then accordingly merit list will be prepared, and the diversification of the different number of the scholarships. So more than 5,000 scholarships are there for each girl child, and the process is very simple. You have to just apply on the portal, and the merit list will be prepared, and you will get the amount directly disbursed into your accounts. So my dear students, I think this information is of great valuable importance to all the degree level girl students who are joining in 2020-21, or maybe your relatives or your friends who have taken admission in the first year. Please do let them know, in case their annual income is less than 8 lakhs per annum. It is really going to benefit them. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Pharmacypedia for getting further updates and informations. Thank you so much.